Introducing the V-Control USB Focus Controller from Aperture. V-Control features both still and video modes, 4 focus preset points, total exposure control, 2 USB ports, total live view control, multiple mounting options, and more. Let's go in depth. V-Control is the world's first mode-switching USB follow-focus device. One can shoot stills with full control over autofocus and shutter, and you'll have most of the same controls as the camera itself. Flip the mode switch and one can also start and stop video, free from the camera, helping combat camera shake from button presses. In stills mode, V-Control can adjust various exposure settings directly from the controller. Firstly, you have ISO adjustment. Then, aperture control. Next, shutter speed control. And finally, exposure compensation. V-Control has full control over live view settings. Turn live view on and off, zoom closer for accurate manual focusing, and finally, navigate around the frame in any direction of choice. V-Control gives you multiple focusing options. Firstly, you can adjust step size, which adjusts the rate in which the lens focus wheel rotates. You can also adjust the command send rate, which controls the rate in which the signal is sent to the lens. Here's an example of step size number 3. The wheel is more sensitive, and you can see that the focusing is quicker. Here's an example of step size number 2. It's right in the middle and useful for general purpose manual focusing. Here's an example of step size number 1. The wheel is less sensitive, meaning the focus adjustment increments will be much smaller. You have a lot more room for fine-tuning. This is especially useful when using digital zoom, so you can precisely fine-tune your focusing as accurately as possible. While shooting video, V-Control gives you 4 possible focus preset points. At the press of a button, your camera will automatically focus on the preset point of choice. Here, you can see it in action. V-Control gives you ergonomic flexibility, so you can use the device as you wish. You can connect it horizontally or vertically. You can also program the wheel to rotate clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on your preference. V-Control has a clean and simple interface, uses common AA batteries for long life, and is easy to operate. V-Control has all the features you need to control your camera remotely, whether shooting in stills or video mode. It gives you incredible control over exposure settings, live view settings, and manual focusing. Shooting video or stills will never be the same with V-Control in hand. Thanks for watching.